Good morning, everyone. It's Mr. Friday. And I'm tired. Sorry for last week I wasn't able to do a video. I was out, me and my wife and my son went out for a quick little getaway from the heat. It was about 110 here in Vegas. Went down to Idlewild and took some photos. Get away from the heat because it was beautiful there. I think top got up to 80 degrees, and out here, yeah, too hot. So today, got this guy. Oh, it's too bright. It's too bright. Daniel's back. I'm back again, and we're gonna be doing some stuff to his 350Z. What are we doing? We're changing suspension, right? Front shock. Yeah, front shock. Front shocks. We're gonna do some front shocks on it. So it's early. I need coffee. I'm probably gonna make some coffee. But first, let's move these cars out of the way. 240 and the MR2Z. Oh, and the wifey's Pathfinder. So, cold starts everywhere. Alright, well, we're gonna start taking out the wheels. So these are already on lowering springs. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll pull out the shock in just a little bit. Shock is blown on this side. Got a new shock here. Gonna take off these springs off, place it with these springs here, and that should be it. And I think we're gonna do the pulley. Possibly do the AC pulley? Yeah. Where's the AC at? This one. AC is way okay. Oh, we will see if I want to do that today. Because it is a hot day. It's going to be 105, so it's about 7, 8 o'clock right now. And I want to try to get done before noon. Well, let's get to work. so what I did, 12 mil bolts, top, there's 3 of them here. Boop, boop, boop. There's a 17 millimeter through bolt to the bottom that goes here. Boop, pop that out. I need to push the whole suspension down, shock, and springs will come out, and put the new one on. That I'll show you my getaway and then the proper way, how to take off springs. Alright, what we did on the other side to make it a little bit easier was to take this off, loosen this whole thing up, take this upper control arm off the upright assembly. So I'll show you how easy it is to take this off. Let me just loosen this bolt. Oh. Loosen this up. Keep the nut on, but enough so it's not off. About right there. Okay. Get yourself your mallet. And hit it here. Oh, it's already off. But that's an easy way to take off ball joints. Same thing on the bottom. Nice good smack on one of those. It'll loosen up the ball joint and it'll be ready to come off. Alright, so the right way, if you want to do a good way, get yourself some spring compressor set. I'm going to do the other side too. But yeah, I put one side on right now, other side gets on the other side. If I could. Go. Cinch it down so it doesn't fly all over the place. But like I said, I'll show you a getaway that you should not do ever if you're a trained professional or if you're a backyard mechanic. Just something like that. Got your impact and your battery's dead. There's that. I'll take this one out. This is loose already. Since we're not reusing this, I'll go ahead and hold on to the shaft, hold it in place. Out there, as you can tell, all greasy, everything blown. Take this off. What's that?
Sure, thank you.
With egg.
Yeah, anything.
Avocado.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, Annie.
Breakfast.
This goes back on top here. Using the different top hat. nut. There you go. New shock. Out of here. Alright, so I pulled off the belts. Very simple, kind of. But look at this. Oh, my toolbox is a mess. But yeah, look at that belt. It's pretty much non-existent. Look at that. And then the other one, this was the AC pulley, or the AC belt. And this is, come on, show it. And this is the alternator belt and power steering. So they're old, and I might attempt to do the crank pulley if I can get the bolt out, and then eliminate this pulley, that idler pulley right there. Alright, so let's go do that. Alright, sorry I didn't show you. Oh, there it is. Where? Oh, there. Where? Okay. Sorry I didn't show you what I did to take out the crank pulley. But you can probably search it online. But just a little trouble that I had was to break loose the crank bolt. Daniel had to get in the car, 6th gear, foot on the brake, broke it loose with my breaker bar, and now we're putting on the belts. I removed that pulley out here, the idler pulley that was there. It's supposed to be for the water pump or the fan or whatever that was, but I removed that. There's a spacer, if you can see that. Now put on the belts and should be good to go. Alright, so I'm done with the front shocks. I said I was going to do the getaway to take off the springs. I didn't do that. But yeah, she's all done. Just need to put it on the ground, torque the wheels, and all done. I think total time was, what do you think? Like an hour and a half?
Maybe.
About an hour and a half of just doing the front suspension. We did take a break in the morning because my wife made us some what was it? Egg McMuffins. And it was delicious. We took like a 30-45 minute break there, had some coffee, and ate a little bit. So 350Z, all done, pretty simple. Gonna drop it on the ground now, and you don't know, it's what? I think it's about 9 o'clock now, 9:30, 9:45. It's gonna get hot. Like I said, it's gonna be over 100 and about 105. So all we gotta do, torque the wheels, and then she'll be done. We'll have Daniel start the car up.